Hi all, myself Disha. Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how to remove background from your photos or images immediately in the Canva. Definitely for this purpose you will be needed the pro version of the Canva. To purchase the pro version of the Canva, please check the description box below. I mentioned here below the video. You can go for it and purchase it. See, it's a single click. You can just edit your videos. You can remove your background. So let's get started. So to remove the background, first just search which template you wanna suppose I just want to create a Facebook post or anything else. Just I'm showing you okay, so you have created this one, and now one thing, you have to upload the photo. Whatever photo you have uploaded, suppose this is my photo, this is I'll check, so you can expand it. And now if I want to remove the background, whatever the background is, so to remove this background, just click here and click on the edit image, and see here you can find the BG remover or background remover from this end. So just click here this icon and just wait for a few seconds. Wow, all the backgrounds have been removed from the Canva. Okay, so this was the thing, and so now suppose you want to place this photo in different background, then just select any different colors, combos, whatever you like, and see here, suppose I just don't want this laptop as well, and just crop it down below. I'll just place this photo, just drag a bit here, and now here I'll just add in some text like this, so you can see. I'll just edit this one, suppose Disha, Rathi, welcome. So like this, suppose I just created it, and how do I change the some brightness and all the stuff from this image? So just you just want to go in this edit image tab, and here you can see the adjust pane, brightness, contrast, saturations, or you can find some filters, photogenic filters, many things you can get in. So see, immediately you will be getting some effects for that photos, or just you can improve the brightness or the saturations and the contrast, brightness and the saturation effect, whatever as per your requirement. So in this way you can edit the pic within short period of time. So now how to add some mockups like in for these pics. So what I'll do, I'll just copy this pic here, and I'll just paste it the same one here to show you the things. So go in the click on this pic, and then click this edit image tab, and herein you can find this smart mockups tab. So in this smart mockups tab, you can find a lot of mockups here, like in the laptop pic, photo pics, your mobile one, etc, etc. So to place your pic for in this, like suppose you will select this and see the magic. So your design will be here. So isn't it amazing tool? I just like the Canvas tool. They are just ready to use, and ready to do everything, like you can do within a short period of time. Oh, it's gone. I guess I'll do it again. So here I'll paste this image. What I'll do, I'll just crop the extra part here because it is taking the extra things as well, so that's why I'm cropping all the extra parts here, even though it's not visible, but still. Now click on the image, click on the edit image, go below here the smart mockups, and suppose I'll select this design, so my design will be here, automatically will be placed here. So you can see how smartly it is done. So I hope you like the tutorial of creating mockups and removing the backgrounds. If you like the video, please click the like button, share the video with your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Have fun. Bye bye.